Hello everyone, Nevada with EB Designs. Right here beside me I have some reclaimed barn wood, came off of an old barn. So this here is the wood we're going to be using for our shelf. Let's take it inside. Okay, so what we'll need for the wood part of this project is a drill with a wire wheel, a respirator for when you take off the old, probably lead-based paint. This stain here, it's called Country White. I think it'll look pretty good. Also, a brush for the stain. So this here is the wood that we'll be using for this project. It's an old reclaimed barn board. While the board's drying, I found some deer hide scraps from an old project we did, and we'll cut a strip off of this 30 inches long to hold up the board. You also need 2 screws to hang up the shelf, and also make sure you remount these holes on the straps.